You are currently in the treatment stage on your case, and it is very important that you stay consistent with your treatment, as consistent treatment is important both for your health as well as for your case. Remember, if you don't take your treatment seriously, neither will the insurance adjuster or a jury. We're here to help facilitate your treatment, and we will continue to work on your case as you recover from your injuries. But be patient with yourself in the treatment process. It's important that you make a full recovery from all of your injuries, rather than to rush the process and potentially damage both your health as well as your case.
You are currently in the gathering medical records stage of your case. At this point, your medical providers believe that you have reached maximum medical improvement, and we start to gather your medical records to prepare your demand. Please note that this process can take 60 to 90 days or longer depending on the extent of your injuries as well as the responsiveness of your providers to our requests. Unfortunately, they can often be quite slow, but we will stay on top of them and this entire process. In the meantime, it's very important that if you experience any pain or relapse to your injuries, you let your care providers know and let us know as well.
Good news, you are currently in the demand stage. We've received your medical records and bills and are reviewing them to prepare a demand package for the insurance company. If we need more information, we will contact you, and once the settlement demand is complete, we will send it to the insurance company and start the negotiation process on your behalf.
You are currently in the negotiation stage. We submitted your demand package to the insurance company and are awaiting a response. It will typically take at least several weeks for the insurance company to review everything and respond, and they may ask for more information or documents. Don't worry though, if we think they are dragging their feet, we will push hard for a response. Remember, the decision to settle will be yours, and we will be here to advise you and guide you throughout the process.
You're currently in the settlement phase of your file. The good news is that we've reached a settlement on your case.
We're currently in the disbursement stage on your file. We're putting together all the settlement and distribution documents in order to wrap everything up and get you your recovery. There's often a lot of paperwork involved, but we're doing everything we can to keep the process moving. We'll exchange these completed documents with opposing counsel, request checks, and try to wrap everything up for you as soon as possible. Now, as you can imagine, the insurance companies are going to want to drag their feet when it comes time to pay, but we will stay on top of this process for you. Once we get those checks and they clear the bank, we will begin distributing your settlement funds and bringing your case to a quick and happy conclusion.
You're currently in the lawsuit preparation and service stage. We're investigating your case and preparing for litigation. We're drafting the lawsuit and will notify you when it's filed. Serving the defendants may take some time, depending on where they are and whether or not they try and skip service. But once served, they will be required to file an answer to the lawsuit, and we will begin the discovery phase of your case.
You're currently in the written discovery phase of your case. And at this point, the parties are exchanging lists of questions and document requests with each other. This is often the longest phase of a lawsuit and will typically take at least 4 months, maybe longer. But don't worry, we are aggressively pushing ahead on your behalf.
We're currently in the deposition stage on your file. This is part of discovery, and during discovery, the parties have a right to ask each other questions in a formal Q&A session under oath. These oral depositions are sometimes videotaped, and they are very important to the outcome of your case. But don't worry, if a party wants to take your deposition, we will take whatever time you need to prepare. We will go over the process, answer any questions, and make sure that you are 100% ready. We understand this process can be intimidating or scary, but believe me, we are here to help you every step of the way.
You're currently in the mediation stage on your case, and mediation is a process by which the parties are given an opportunity to negotiate a voluntary settlement to the case in a confidential setting with the assistance of a trained professional mediator. But as always, the decision about whether or not to settle is entirely up to you. We do often find that cases can be successfully resolved during mediation, which would avoid the need for everybody to go to trial. We'll be in touch with you to schedule the mediation and answer any questions you may have about the process.
Because the parties were not able to reach a settlement, we are now in the process of preparing your case for trial. Please keep in mind that the scheduling of your trial is up to the court and not up to us. We will try to get it set as soon as possible, and we will keep you informed as things develop. It's possible that your case may still settle during this phase, and it's actually pretty common to have cases settled just before or even during trial. We're going to keep you informed in our process. We're going to answer all of your questions, and we will make sure that you are prepared, informed, and taken care of at every stage.